Hello viewer. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Monday Chooks. So today I'm going to show you how this my custom built indicator work. Now if you look at it, I've just finished compiling it and setting it up, okay, to ensure everything works perfectly the way I want it. So if you look at this arrangement, now the way I trade with it is this. The moment I receive a signal, I usually follow this star signal here. Okay, so what I do is when I receive the signal, I will now match it with these two other indicators to ensure it corresponds. So when I receive this signal, I compare with the other. This signal stands for what? Sell. When you receive it above, it means it's going down. So by the next candle, I should place sell. This is under 5 minutes time frame, so I should place in 10 minutes duration, okay, to expire in 10 minutes time. But at this point, this one says sell, this other one says sell. If I place sell here in 10 minutes, though I will win it, but I always wait for the three conditions to perfect, that is for the three conditions to be met before I place my trade, okay, in most cases. But once you get this first and the second correspond, I think in most cases you will win your trade. So here now I will not place this trade, then I'll wait for the next one. Here say buy. Are you getting it? Then this one is still buying, this one has not bought. Then I will wait until this one turn green again. At this point, this one say buy, this one say buy, and this already said buy. So I will now put 1, 2. So by these two candles, I will win this trade. Then I wait for the next signal at this point, saying sell. Then I wait for these two to turn red. This one turn red at this point, and the other turn red. So 1, 2, 10 minutes, I will also win this trade. Then here say buy, but the other two signals are still selling, so I will not place trade there. Then here also say sell. Now this one says sell, this one says sell, so I will not place 1, 2. So these two, 10 minutes, I will also win this trade. Then here say buy. Then I will check for the next signal. The next signal here say buy, this one say buy, the next one, other one say buy. So this one has turned green, this one has turned green. So at this point, I'll place the trade for 10 minutes, which is these two candles. You can see it now. So I will also win the trade. Then at this point, I will wait for this other one. Here says sell, but this one is still buying. So at this point, this is when the two now sold. Okay, everything corresponds. So here will be 5, 10. I will win this trade again. Did you see it? So at this point again, it said buy. This one is buying. Then the third one, which is at this point, it said buy, and I will still win this trade narrowly. I will win it on 10 minutes. But if you are to be on 5 minutes, I will win it without trouble. Okay? So that is for this. Then I'm waiting for the next signal. This signal now say buy. This one has also confirmed buy, and this is the third time confirming buy. So these two, I will enter the trade at this point. Now this is the first 5 minutes. So by the next 5 minutes, the trade will expire. I will win. So if you look at all the trade I have placed so far now, I'm sure there is no loss so far in it. Now let's count it. We place trade here for buy. I'm sure we win this 1. Then we place here for buy. We win this 2. We place here for sell. We also won this. That's 3. This one, we won this 2, 4. Here, we won this 5. What of this? This is sell. We didn't buy here. So here is sell. At this point, we won it, which is 6 or 7. Then here we bought, which is 8. Here we sold. No, we didn't sell here. 8. So here we bought, which is 9. So you can see out of 9 trades we have placed so far, we won the 9, right? So from here, like I told you earlier, you can see here the first candle is still buying and we are still winning. All right, so that is how it works. So all you need to do, you can trade on 5 minutes, that is 5:5, that is 1:1. On 5 minute duration, you place for 5 minutes expiration. Very good. You will also win your trade. Okay, now on 1 minute time frame, we have it here. So you can see it on 1 minute. as it is going. All right, so on 1 minute, now at this point, we have the signal here say buy. Then we find out that this second signal is still selling, so we cannot buy at that point. This is when all of them confirm buy. So we will place trade for 2 minutes expiration. We will win this trade. Then here says sell. They have not sold, others have not sold until we go to this point. Can you see here? At this point, when all of them sold, we lost this trade here, one, based on what? So if we enter at this point, if we enter at this point, sold, we won it. Did you see? So this second candle a little bit lag. It lagged a little. This first one, once you get this and this, it corresponds on 1 minute. If you sell at this point, you will win. Then we wait for the next signal, say sell again. At this point, 1, 2. We also win this one. Did you get it? Then we wait for the next buy here. So let's assume we lost this and we want 2, we lost 1. So here, saying buy. We wait for buy signal. No buy signal here until where? Until where at this point, but this is selling. We have already received another signal for sell here. Both have not sold. We receive another signal for buy until here now. So at this point, we will buy. We want this trade. So we want 3 out of 4. Then we place another one here for sell. They are still buying until at this point for sell. Okay. So here we place this at this point. Let me looking at it, I think it's either we lost the game or narrow escape. Okay, let's assume we lost it. So out of 5, we won 3, we lost 2. Then we looked at this. Here we bought at this point, we won it. Okay, 6, we won 4. Then here is selling, no sell signal so far. So here is another sell. We are waiting for this to confirm the sell. So assuming we are using this as a sell, without waiting for this, we will win this trade. So in most cases, once you receive the sell signal and this other signal confirms it, you place your trade. Did you get it? So this is how it works. Okay, by the time you practice it, you demo trade with it, that you know how it is. So after, in the next video, I'm going to show a demo trade, how I used it and how everything went. Okay, so thank you and watch out for the next video. All right.